So now let's start with it. Let us first see few examples of sphere from our day-to-day life. Now the examples which we can take are first football, second we can say metallic ball, third we can say that globe is an example of a sphere from our day-to-day life. Let us proceed further and now let us see geometrical figure of a sphere. So observe on the screen, this is the geometrical figure of a sphere. Remember my dear students, sphere has only one surface which is curved in shape. It is associated with only one parameter, that is r, which is the radius of the sphere. Now let us understand the formulae related to a sphere. The first formula which we can understand for a sphere is surface area or total surface area. The formula for finding surface area or total surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. Next we can consider formula for volume of a sphere. The formula for finding volume of a sphere is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Now we know that total surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. Let us see an activity which will make us understand that why the total surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square. So now we are going to consider an activity related to total surface area of a sphere. What are we supposed to do is, first we will take a wooden ball and we will drive a nail into it. Now, taking the support of this nail, let us wind string around this ball. So now observe, we are winding the string around the ball, taking the support of the nail. We have to remember one thing, that when we reach the fullest part of the ball, we have to use pins to keep the string in place and then continue the process of winding the string around the remaining part of the ball after it will get completely covering the ball. Now what are we supposed to do is, we are supposed to mark the starting and the finishing points on the string, and slowly we have to unwind the string from the surface of the ball. We can assume that the radius is equal to 10 centimeter. If the radius is equal to 10 centimeter, we can say that the length of the string is equal to total surface area of the sphere. And the formula for finding total surface area is 4 pi r square. What next we can do is, we can substitute the values. In place of 4, we'll write 4. Pi we can take as 3.14. R, that is the radius, we have taken as 10. So it is 10 square. Now 4 into 3.14 into 10 square is equal to 1256. So we can say, therefore, the total surface area or the length of the string here is 1256 centimeter square. Now let us understand that why the total surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square. What next are we supposed to do is, we will now take a sheet of paper and now we will draw 4 circles with the radius equal to the radius of the ball. Yes, that is 10 centimeter. So observe, this is the first circle we have, this is the second circle we have, this is the third one we have, and this is the fourth circle we have. We know here the radius of the circle is equal to the radius of the ball and it is equal to 10 centimeter. What next we are supposed to do is, we will now start filling these circles one by one with the help of the string we had wound around that metallic ball. So now observe, this is the string we have covered in the first circle. We can say that the length of the string after winding the first circle is equal to pi r square, which is equal to 3.14 into 10 square, since we know that the radius is 10. 3.14 into 10 square is equal to, yes, 314. So we can say that the length of the string after winding the first circle is 314 centimeter square. My dear students, if the length of the string after winding the first circle is 314 centimeter square, what will be the length of the remaining string? We know that the total length of the string is 1256. So we can say, therefore, the length of the remaining string after winding the first circle is equal to 1256 minus 314, which is equal to 942 centimeter square. Now what next we will do is, we will now start filling the next circle with the help of the same string. So observe, we have now filled the next circle with the same string. So my dear students, what will be the length of the remaining string now? Yes, we can say that the length of the remaining string is equal to 942 minus 314. Since we know that the length of the string after winding the second circle is also 314. So the length of the remaining string is 942 minus 314, which is equal to 628 centimeter square. Let's proceed further, and now let us start filling the next circle with the string. So observe, we have now covered the next circle with the remaining string. So what will be the length of the remaining string? Yes, we can say that the length of the remaining string is equal to now 628 minus 314, which is equal to 314 centimeters square. So now we are finally left with 314 centimeters square as the length of the string. Now what we'll do is, we'll now start filling the next circle with the remaining string we have. So observe, now we have now covered the full circle also with the remaining string. My dear students, observe, we can say now we have covered total 1256 centimeters square. And now we can say, therefore, the total surface area of the sphere is equal to the area of the first circle, that is pi r square, plus the area of the second circle, that is again pi r square, plus the area of the third circle, that is pi r square again, plus area of the fourth circle, which is again pi r square. So we can say, therefore, total surface area of the sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. A very, very, very simple and interesting module. Thank you.